Hello, good morning mga plantita, gardenera. Welcome to our channel. So today is week number 34 na ba? Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. So if not 34, it's 33 of year 2024. And this is now our garden update, garden story mga kabuchi. So, if you can observe mga kabuchi, my kangkong are not doing well. They're very thin. They have problems with their leaves, mga kabuchi. And you see, there's an insect over there. And it's very dry, mga kabuchi. But I decided not to water my plants, mga kabuchi, because look at the weather. I think it's about to rain or it's already raining somewhere. It may rain, it may not. But also, I think because of the mulching, mga kabuchi, we have still water retention over here, mga kabuchi. So, maulang na siya. And then, mga kabuchi, we planted another ampalaya here, mga kabuchi. Oh, we planted 3 seeds and only one were able to survive. So, it's a replacement of this other ampalaya, mga kabuchi. Let us remove this here, mga kabuchi. Killing the ampalaya, mga kabuchi. And we have here the fruit of our ampalaya, mga kabuchi. Oh. So, going back to the kangkong, there's really a problem with the soil, mga kabuchi. Oh. But then, there are already organisms here, mga kabuchi. Oh. We have so many earthworms here. So, we will just try to be patient, and then maybe someday, somehow, the soil will improve, mga kabuchi, and then we will try experiment planting different plants again. So for now, only the ampalaya and the ginger are doing well here in our garden, mga kabuchi. Look at the wild ampalaya, mga kabuchi, oh. So, we will let it grow whatever, wherever it will climb, mga kabuchi. We will let it go, mga kabuchi, like sa song, Manday nang Let It Go, eh. So, our ampalaya, mga kabuchi, I think it was able to recover. 2 weeks ago, mga kabuchi, our tree leaves fall down, mga kabuchi. And I have really a hard time making it stand again. So, we are just using ropes, mga kabuchi, oh, like this one, to make our trellis stand, mga kabuchi. But right now, mga kabuchi, it seems that the ampalaya now is happy, mga kabuchi. Look at the female flower, mga kabuchi. And then, we already have fruits here, mga kabuchi, oh. And then, we have fruits here, mga kabuchi. So, the ampalaya, mga kabuchi, looks happy. Only the kangkong over here were sad. Maybe because of the location of this garden, mga kabuchi. This is right beside our kitchen. And the sunlight is limited. So, maybe the idea should be to grow up, mga kabuchi. Grow up. But then the ginger here, mga kabuchi. The ginger here, they are doing well. So, we will just have to cover the this one ba, mga kabuchi ba? That one, that is what you called the fruit, the roots, or the tuber. I don't know what's that called. Basta that's the base of the ginger, mga kabuchi. We have to cover that, mga kabuchi, so that it will still grow, mga kabuchi. If not covered, mga kabuchi, it will no longer grow. So, cover lang ta. Though we don't have the soil already, mga kabuchi. So we were not able to do this last week, mga kabuchi, because I was sick, mga kabuchi, for 2 weeks. Right now, I still have my cough. I'm still drinking medicine, mga kabuchi. So, I'm a bit alright now, mga kabuchi. And we can now work on our garden. Later also, mga kabuchi, we will work on into our philodendron garden. Kano na lang yan? Sabo na to. I think not that I need additional soil, mga kabuchi, for the garden here, mga kabuchi. So we already checked, mga kabuchi, and I think the first 5 ginger plants, mga kabuchi, were planted late December 2023, mga kabuchi. So all in all, mga kabuchi, today is already August, mga kabuchi. So they are already over 7 months, mga kabuchi. And yet, it seems that the ginger is not for harvest. Maybe it will took a year to harvest a ginger. It's very long na, mga kabuchi, no? But there's no sign yet that the ginger is ready for harvest, mga kabuchi. And then for our ampalaya, mga kabuchi, we have here hanging ampalaya, mga kabuchi. This is really actually my goal, mga kabuchi, to have ampalaya hanging over my trellis, mga kabuchi, while I'll pour underneath, mga kabuchi, underneath the ampalaya fruits. But I think my trellis is not that high enough, mga kabuchi. I want it higher. Well, maybe, mga kabuchi. We have visitors here, mga kabuchi. We have butterflies. So we have butterflies, mga kabuchi. And then, they are also helping our garden. So my sister just harvested the alugbati, mga kabuchi. This is very good ingredient in your tinola, mga kabuchi. Your tinola will be very delicious, and it will also smell delicious, mga kabuchi, if you have what you call, mga kabuchi, alugbati in it, mga kabuchi. So let's try to remove the unnecessary plants here, mga kabuchi. Oh, let's try to remove. So we have wild ampalayas growing now. They are also ampalaya, mga kabuchi. There are so many. We have another wild ampalaya over here. We will just let them grow, mga kabuchi. And then our lemon, mga kabuchi. After removing the fruit, mga kabuchi, look at what happened to the lemon, no? So this looks like healthy, not so healthy, but good leaves already, mga kabuchi. I'm already satisfied. But here, mga kabuchi, the stem right here, mga kabuchi, is really exhausted, mga kabuchi. It didn't grow any branch. I've seen a small sprout over here, mga kabuchi. But I've seen this a week ago, and it don't develop, mga kabuchi. So the nutrients here, mga kabuchi, are not that plenty. So we have gabi here, mga kabuchi. Let's remove the gabi, mga kabuchi. I don't want gabi because gabi attracts so many big worms, mga kabuchi. We don't like to have worms. Oh, nanagani ni worms. Oh, where's the worm? But maybe my sister can use that in her kitchen. So wait and see lang tayo. Anyway, I am not using this area pa man, mga kabuchi. So we're not using this area. But if the alugbati grows here, then we are happy with the alugbati here, oh, growing. So let the alugbati stay, mga kabuchi, because alugbati is good. Your tinola will smell delicious if you have your Alugbati. So, the carrots here, mga kabuchi, look at the carrots. Oh, they're still here. At least the carrots are, some of the carrots are still here, mga kabuchi. They're still there. Diba? And then, our line here, mga kabuchi, also, we have, this is already a new branch. Another one new. And another one new here. So, this is a sign, mga kabuchi, that this line here, mga kabuchi, is starting to grow and we're able to adapt to its new environment, mga kabuchi. Okay. So, time check, it's almost 10 a.m. mga kabuchi, and we thought that it's about to rain, mga kabuchi, but it did not. Right now, mga kabuchi, I think the future of my garden, mga kabuchi, is really to grow high, to grow a vertical garden. So, that's going to be the plan, mga kabuchi. Because this trellis, mga kabuchi, will not last long. Unsam na de! Parang usa ka piso? Pila ka bukya piso? Na, ang ikog sa miming, oh, you know, it's really the, look at the tail. Look at the tail of the cat. It's ready to attack the little chicks, mga kabuchi. So, if my sister is not going to keep the chicks, mga kabuchi, they will all be eaten by the cat. And my sister had a hard time catching the single chick. Tara, oh! Muna! So, mo na lang na, dalawa. Awa, naginahan pa tong isa. Okay. So, going back, mga kabuchi, we also planted some beans here, mga kabuchi, string beans. Look at what happened to the beans, mga kabuchi, oh. We will let them grow, mga kabuchi, according to what they wanted. So, overall, I really have problem with my soil, mga kabuchi. Like here. But it's also because of the cats, mga kabuchi. Here, this morning, I caught the cat disposing urine and something on this area, mga kabuchi. So, that's one of my problem. And then, right here is the talong. So, I supposed to cut the branches, mga kabuchi. But I did not. So, maybe this time around, mga kabuchi, after this garden update, mga kabuchi, I will sharpen my knife and cut at least up to here, siguro, mga kabuchi. Let's cut them, mga kabuchi. And then we will see if they can grow, or I'll just let them be, mga kabuchi. No, the blog says, some blog says that I really have to cut the mature branches, mga kabuchi. I'm so happy with my ampalaya, mga kabuchi, though there are only few fruits, but it's already enough for our family, mga kabuchi, because the children will also cry if we have too much ampalaya. But they will not like my plan, mga kabuchi, because my plan, mga kabuchi, is to really have an ampalaya occupy the full space of my garden, mga kabutchi. Not only ampalaya, mga kabutchi. I will try also to grow some other crawling plants like squash, beans, and chayote. So, it's going to be a kuan pa, mga kabutchi. I-plan. So, that's it, mga kabutchi. We're gonna be ending this garden update, mga kabutchi. I hope that your garden are also doing well. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, though my sister said that this channel is boring, but still, thank you for staying with me in my journey discovering this small piece of garden. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.